These are the seeds of hollyhock, and now time to collect because the seed pods are tearing off by itself. Here you can see it is full of so many seeds. Now we can collect it like this. In one seed pod, here you can see so many seeds. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Almost 20 seeds in every seed pod. 20 seeds mean 20 more plants. So you can gift it, you can grow more. Here you can see I have also hollyhock plant here. This is my old plant. Now here you can see I have so many seeds of hollyhock plant. This was in the pink color, the color of like this pot where I put my these seeds. You can see how much I grow, they will never end. Here you can see some are here and some are on ground, but they will never finish. This is my old plant which I grew in September and August. Now it is over and here I plant more in spring. It will go June, July, August. So in this way you can collect seeds, save seeds, gift it. They will never finish from your home.